Hi, I'm Evan, coming at you from Marbles Kids Museum, and today we are going to pop some balloons. All you'll need for this experiment is tape, a needle, balloons, and eye protection. Safety first. I'm going to put on my eye protection to protect my eyes. All right, so we're going to start off with a blown up balloon. And as we can see, when I poke it with this needle, it's going to pop. Whew, that was loud. But there's something we can do to make it not pop quite like that. All we'll need to do is tape an X right on the side of the balloon. Let's do it. On this balloon, I'm going to tape an X right on the side with this Scotch tape right here. So as you can see, I've taped an X right here on the side of the balloon. Now, when I poke the needle right through the center of that X, it should pop a little bit differently. Let's see what happens. All right, I've got my needle and I've got my balloon. Let's see. So it didn't pop right away, but it still popped pretty loud. Let's try it again. Let's try a smaller balloon and see if that helps. Got my X again. Let's see what happens. So as we saw in that last example, the balloon didn't pop immediately when I poked it with the needle. Now why do you think that was? Well, what makes a balloon pop because of getting punctured is what's called catastrophic crack propagation. Basically, this is just a very complicated way of saying that the hole that's created in the balloon is what makes it pop, not the fact that air is coming out of it. And as that hole gets bigger, it ends up ripping the balloon. That tape overcomes this by holding together parts of the balloon by adhering to the sides. Now, it didn't stop the balloon from popping. As we saw, it definitely popped, but it made the process slower. I wonder what we could do to the balloon to make it pop even slower. Maybe adding more tape or using a smaller balloon? Let's try. For this one, I'm going to wrap tape all the way around the balloon and see what happens. Let's try it now. All right, so I've wrapped tape all the way around this balloon a couple times. I'm going to take my needle and put it right through where the tape overlaps again. Let's see what happens. Still popped. So I wasn't able to get the balloon to not pop for very long. But you can try your own experiments at home and see how long you can get the balloons to last. Be sure to share pictures and videos of the experiments you do with balloons with us on social media at Marbles Kids Museum. We'll see you next time.